How to edit all tracks except for one of them in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added some videos and audio to my timeline. Move the playhead around and press Ctrl B to add a cut. You can see that all my media in all tracks now have a cut. Or select a clip and press the delete key to ripple delete it. You can see that all my media go backward. But maybe I don't want a track to be affected in these situations. To do that, just click on the Auto Track Selector button in the track you don't want to be affected. Now if I press Ctrl B or ripple delete a clip, the track will stay still and can't be cut. There is another way to do this, and that is to lock the track. Just click on the lock button of a track to lock it. Now you can see that this track will not be affected by pressing Ctrl B. But locking a track will prevent us from changing its properties in the inspector or adding an effect to it. And therefore locking a track for this purpose is not a good idea. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.